Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee healthy. First, select high-quality, organic coffee beans to ensure a cleaner cup, free from unwanted chemicals. Grinding your beans fresh before brewing preserves their natural antioxidants and rich flavor, making every sip more beneficial. Remember, the foundation of healthy coffee starts with the beans themselves. Skip the refined sugar and artificial sweeteners to keep your drink pure and truly healthy. Enhance your coffee with smart additions. Consider stirring in a teaspoon of grass-fed butter or MCT oil for sustained energy and brain function. Spices like cinnamon or cardamom not only add delicious flavor, but also offer additional health advantages. For brewing, using a paper filter can help reduce compounds called diterpenes, which may raise cholesterol levels for some individuals. Timing your coffee intake wisely can boost its benefits. Try to enjoy your first cup at least 90 minutes after waking to work with your body's natural cortisol rhythm. Moderation is key. Aim for 1 or 2 cups daily to reap the most advantages without overdoing it. Also, avoid drinking coffee too close to bedtime to ensure a restful night's sleep. To keep your coffee truly healthy, it's important to know what to avoid. Steer clear of artificial sweeteners and highly processed creamers, as these can negate many of coffee's natural benefits. Resist the temptation of sugary syrups and excessive whipped cream, which add unnecessary calories and sugar. Opt for simple, clean coffee preparations to truly support your well-being and enjoy a healthier daily ritual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.